Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrin. It's New Music Friday, and Kevin Downswell gives us an exclusive listen to his new projects. The leading gospel artist last night held a private listening party for his upcoming double album release. Now, Kevin hosted E-Prime and other invited guests through the listening session of unreleased tracks.
See, I don't know if you have ever met these words before. Been relentless looking for you from the day they left God's mouth.
Downswell told E-Prime that fans can prepare for worship sessions along with the reggae and dance tracks.
Many have been shocked to hear that we're dropping 2 albums. The second, which is a bonus, called The Shift. The Shift is like a worship album from beginning to end. All worship. When I say all worship, I mean all worship. So you're getting up in the morning and getting yourself together to get to work, and you know the kind of work you're going on and stuff like that. This kind of album really gets your mind settled. It's all worship. If you want to spend some time in God's presence, if you want to spend some time just seeking God, that's what the album is about. Then you have Grace, which is track by track reggae, dance, but as somebody just said, the sound is at another level. So The Shift, Grace, 2 albums, 1 day.
Shift carries 10 tracks, while Grace has 12 tracks and will launch with a public event on July 1 in Kingston, featuring some very special guests.
We have some incredible guests. We have some great guests joining me on stage. John Mark Wigan, Ocean Mace, Alyssa Taylor, and the list goes on. TLC Live Song, Lucas Music, Prince Sarge, Jermaine Cohen, O'Neal Watson. It's a lot. DJ Rebirth, DJ Sticko, MC Nadim Blair. It's a lot of people joining us on stage to celebrate this.
Now, Spice today dropped her latest single, Jealous. Spice, who is the writer and producer through her Spice Official Entertainment, also co-directed the music video with Bling Blang.
I'm blessed. Me no hinna no drama, no mess, no hinna no stress. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them.
Now, the Queen of Dancehall has promised many more new releases since her return to both the booth and the stage in February. Elton John is the top touring act in the world. According to Billboard box score, Elton has become the highest grossing solo artist and top ticket selling solo artist ever, grossing nearly $2 billion and selling over 20 million tickets over a 40-year span. Box score also lists Elton's Farewell Yellow Brick Road tour as the top grossing tour of all time. On Wednesday, Billboard hosted a private garden party to celebrate Elton John's new milestone. At the event, he and his band received Billboard awards for making touring history. He was also presented with a donation of $1 million to the Elton John AIDS Foundation. Now, Digicel Rising Stars' new season kicks off for the first live audition since 2019. Hopefuls can turn out tomorrow, June 24, at Turtle River Park in Ocho Rios, starting 9 o'clock. It goes on till 3, with, of course, your season judges Anthony Miller, Elaine, and Conroy. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrin. Remember, check out Rising Stars tomorrow, and remember to keep our children safe, all right? Have a good one. See you next week.